Today, I am reviewing the XPPen 16K Artist 15.6 Pro V2 drawing tablet with screen. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're still wondering if jumping up to 16,000 levels of pressure sensitivity actually makes a difference in your digital art, I've spent the last 2 weeks putting the new XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro V2 through its paces to find out. I have used this as my primary display for everything from detailed line art in Clip Studio to color grading in Photoshop, and while there is a lot to love, there are a few practical realities you need to know before you pull the trigger. You can check the links below the video if you want to see the current pricing or explore the specs for yourself, but let's get into how this thing actually feels on the desk. The headlining feature here is that X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus. On paper, 16,000 pressure level sounds like marketing fluff, but in practice, the initial activation force is impressively low. When you're doing fine hair work or light sketching, you really do feel that granular control. It is much less jittery than the older generation tablets, and the full lamination on the 15.6-inch screen makes a massive difference for parallax. When your pen tip is actually touching the glass, the cursor feels like it is glued to the nib, which is exactly what you want for professional work. The color accuracy is another strong point. I put it against my calibrated monitor, and for most hobbyists and even mid-level professional work, the 99% sRGB and 96% Adobe RGB coverage is more than enough. The colors pop, and the anti-glare etched glass has just the right amount of friction. It does not feel like drawing on a greasy window. It actually has a slight paper-like resistance that makes long sessions much more comfortable. Now, let's talk about the physical design, starting with that red dial. I have always been a fan of this interface because it is tactile. Mapping it to brush size or canvas rotation becomes muscle memory within an hour. The 8 express keys are also a lifesaver, but keep in mind that they are all on one side. If you're a lefty, you will need to rotate the tablet and adjust your settings in the driver, which is a standard procedure but still worth mentioning. The included foldable stand is sturdy enough, but it does add to the footprint on your desk. Speaking of the desk, remember that this is not a standalone device. You must connect it to a computer or a laptop using that 3-in-1 cable. It is a reliable connection, but it does add a bit of cable clutter to your workspace, which is something to keep in mind if you prefer a minimalist setup. Where this tablet might disappoint some users is in the brightness department. At 250 nits, it is perfectly fine for a dim studio or a home office, but if you work in a room with a lot of direct sunlight or bright overhead lights, it can feel a little washed out. It is not a deal breaker, but it is definitely not a high brightness monitor. Also, while the drivers have come a long way, you should make sure to uninstall any old tablet drivers from other brands before you set this up to avoid the usual conflict issues that plague digital artists. If you are a student, a hobbyist looking for a serious upgrade, or a freelance illustrator who needs a reliable secondary display that won't break the bank, this is a fantastic value. The build quality feels solid, the pen is responsive, and the color gamut is impressive for this price point. However, if you're a professional who needs top-tier brightness for color-critical print work, or if you're looking for a tablet that works without being tethered to a computer, you might want to look elsewhere. Ultimately, the XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro V2 is a workhorse. It focuses on the things that actually matter for drawing, like pen pressure and screen lamination, rather than trying to be a fancy all-in-one device. If you want to see if this fits into your specific workflow, head over to the links below the video to check out the latest details. It is a solid, honest tool that does exactly what it promises, provided you have a computer capable of handling your creative software.